Is it just me? Is it just me, fellas? I'm in my personal vehicle and I'm on a damn truck route. What the hell? You know, I do this a lot. Sometimes I only stay on the 4 and the 3rd lane. Why is that? My wife is always telling me, why are you driving on these lanes? Go to the carpool lanes, stuff like that. But is it just me? Look at all the other cars are on the regular lanes. I'm on a freaking truck route. Right next to all these trucks. What the hell? Is it just me? Somebody tell me. Is this just me? We've been truckers so damn long that even when we get on our personal vehicles, we're still driving in the truck routes. Look at everybody's over there. I'm on a truck route. Oh, there's a couple of cars with me here. Ain't that about something? Somebody tell me it's not just me that does this all the time. All right, fellas. If you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys on the next video.